Atola introduces automated RAID rebuild and imaging in TaskForce. Click the RAID icon in the left side task menu to rebuild a RAID from a set of drives. Select the drives that make up the RAID array and click Continue. In the right-hand side of the screen, Autodetection module starts running immediately. It reads data on the drives to identify the RAID type in stage 1 and goes through thousands of possible configurations to identify suitable ones in stage 2. If you know the configuration, you can enter it manually. Autodetection is based on heuristic algorithms and speeds up the variant check to the max. Once a possible configuration is detected, you can click the Apply button. This one-button simple action arranges the drives in the correct order, applies the right RAID type and block size. If a file system is found and verified, the partition preview shows folders and files in the bottom part of the screen. Click Go to Image to proceed with imaging. Select the target and click Continue. Double-check your imaging settings and click Start. Confirm the overriding of data on the target. The imaging will run as fast as the target speed allows. The imaging report will contain all the RAID details and timestamps.